This is the new Huawei Mate XT, the first ever 3-layers foldable phone. First, let's do a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Mate XT front and center. Huawei always nails that first impression. Underneath, you've got the essentials: a USB-C cable, a 55W fast charger, which, trust me, is a lifesaver, a pair of wired earbuds, and a surprisingly solid protective case. And what I like about it is it came with all the accessories you'll need, which is always a nice touch. The phone comes in 2 colors, red and black, and both of the colors have this premium, almost futuristic vibe. The folding mechanism feels great even though you can see where the fold is, which is not bad actually, and when it's folded you can feel that it's a little thick and heavy, but when you unfold it, it transforms into an 8-inch thin tablet that will amaze you. And it gets a triple lens setup. The main camera delivers 50 megapixels, the ultra-wide-angle lens 12 megapixels, and a telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom, 12 megapixels, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. But they are not really that impressive, as there are a lot of better options if you're looking for better video or photo quality. The phone runs pretty smoothly as it's running on Huawei's Kirin 995G chipset with 8 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. And of course, it's 5G ready, with a 4,500 mAh battery, which is decent considering you're powering a massive screen. And if you're binge-watching or gaming, you'll probably want to keep that 55 watts fast charger close to you. Alright, let's break it down. What do I love and what's not so great about the Huawei Mate XT? The design is just incredible. It's a foldable that feels premium and the display is stunning, especially when it's fully unfolded. But for the camera is not what I expected. The battery life is decent, and the price is definitely on the higher end. Overall, if you're into foldable and want something that's both innovative and practical, the Huawei Mate XT is definitely worth checking out. So this is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and hope to catch you in the next one.